Friends, this is Rohtaj Sharma, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Department in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. Hope you all are well in this pandemic time. Today we will discuss about the topic friction, which is very helpful for the BTech students in mechanical engineering as well as diploma students. Okay, we will start now. Friction, the opposing force which acts in the opposite direction of the upper body is called friction force, or we can simply it is called friction. Suppose this is a body and this is the pushing force, and a motion will produce in the direction of the pushing force, and this is the surface contact of the body. A opposite force will produce. That opposite force will call the friction force. Okay, generally we classify the friction in two categories. One is the static friction and second is the dynamic friction. Static friction: when the body is in at rest condition, then the friction force exerted by the body is called static friction. And second one is the dynamic friction. When the body is in moving condition, then the friction force exerted by the body is called the dynamic friction. When our body is at rest, then there will be also produce friction. That friction is called the static friction. And if the body is in moving direction, then the friction produced is called the dynamic friction. Further, dynamic friction can be classified into three categories. First is the sliding friction, second is the rolling friction, and third is the pivot friction. Sliding friction: when a body slides over another body, then the friction force exerted by the body is called sliding friction. Second is the rolling friction: when a body which has balls or rollers rolls on the another body, then the friction force exerted by the second body on the first body is called rolling friction. Sliding friction is that friction in which two bodies are slide on each other. Then the friction produced is called sliding friction. Second is the rolling friction. There is a two bodies are rolls on each other. One body rolls on the another body. Then the first body is called the rolling friction. And third and last one is the pivot friction. The friction force experienced by a body due to the motion of rotation, as in case of like in footstep bearing. Pivot friction is that friction in which the motion of the